Don't know what to do with only a bunch of data after running out of your entire budget for the Amazon campaign? Hi, welcome to eProlo Academy, your go-to choice for mastering e-commerce. In this video, we'll dive into how to master campaign performance through a 4-step analysis. It's easy, so even Amazon beginners can understand it quickly. Beyond this 4-step analysis, we'll also introduce common issues and fixes, along with a strategic approach to budget optimization. Whether you're new to Amazon ads or looking to scale your results, this video will give you a clear structure to identify what's working, what's not, and how to allocate your budget for maximum return. We begin with the 4-step Amazon ad campaign analysis. Typically, Amazon ad data starts populating within 24 hours of launching, though some metrics like conversions may take a bit longer. For accurate data and better optimization, you can start analyzing after 3 to 7 days. Amazon ad data includes key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, ACoS, keyword performance, and bid optimization. Your job is to use these metrics to assess your campaign's performance. It might seem difficult at first, but this 4-step analysis will help you easily identify what needs improvement. Now let's get straight to the point and begin with step 1, which identify campaigns with low conversions but high ACoS. The goal here is to spot campaigns that are burning through your budget but failing to deliver results. Step 2 is all about finding campaigns with high spend but zero conversions. It's major red flags. It helps you eliminate major budget drainers caused by misaligned targeting or ineffective ad creatives. Step 3 highlights your strongest performers, campaigns with high conversions and low ACoS. These are your winners, and the goal is to scale them for even better performance, or you can use them as benchmark when optimizing campaigns. Finally, step 4 looks at budget exhaustion and click volume. If your campaigns are running out of budget too early or not getting enough clicks, this step helps you zero in on whether your bidding and targeting are working effectively. Now that you know how to use this 4-step analysis to identify well-performing and underperforming campaigns, let's look deeper into what each scenario means and how to fix them effectively. For step 1, campaigns with low conversions and high ACoS are typically wasting ad spend. The issue often lies in poor targeting or weak product listings. To fix this, review your keyword selection. Are you targeting the keywords that your target customers use? Also, assess your product detail pages. Are they persuasive and complete? Improving both targeting and product pages can significantly reduce ACoS and improve conversions. In step 2, high spend with zero conversions is a big warning sign. This usually means your ads are targeting the wrong audience or your creatives are underperforming. The best solution here is to pause or restructure these campaigns. Use tighter targeting, avoid overly broad keywords, and consider refreshing your product images or copy to attract the right customers. With step 3, you have high conversions and low ACoS. This is the ideal scenario. These campaigns are working well, and the fix here is actually a growth move. It's time to scale. Expand into similar keyword sets, increase bids slightly to gain more visibility, and double down on what's already working. These campaigns can also serve as templates to troubleshoot underperformers. Finally, for step 4, if you're overspending with low click volume or your campaign runs out of budget too early, this often points to inefficient bidding or targeting strategies. You may be overbidding on underperforming keywords or missing opportunities to spread your spend more effectively. The fix is to reassess targeting settings, adjust your daily budgets, and fine-tune your bids to ensure you're reaching enough users at the right cost. Now let's move into the next section, budget optimization. Planning your budget carefully is essential because even the best campaigns can fail without the right budget strategy. Here are several ways to set your ad budget correctly. First, align your ad budget with your business growth phase. In the launch phase, the goal is to drive visibility and awareness. During the growth phase, it's all about scaling sales and pushing successful campaigns further. Once you reach the maturity phase, the focus shifts to defending your brand space and maximizing profitability. Setting the right goal for each phase is crucial, since it helps you to allocate budget to different campaigns. A key formula to guide your planning is budget equals target order volume divided by conversion rate, then multiplied by average CPC. This ensures your spending is tied to performance goals, not guesswork. From here, move into structured planning. Start by forecasting your market opportunities. Look at upcoming sales seasons, trends, and promotional windows. Then, evaluate your keyword sets and make sure they align with your campaign goals, whether that's driving conversions or defending brand terms. Next, distribute your budget wisely across campaign types, such as sponsored products, sponsored display, or sponsored brands. Finally, track performance regularly and be ready to make adjustments as your data evolves. Or you can set your budget with these two key approaches. The top-down approach starts with your total sales goal, then allocates your total ad spend, and breaks that into daily budgets per campaign. This is ideal for aligning ads with broader business KPIs. Alternatively, the bottom-up approach starts from average CPC, estimated click volume, and your daily budget to set your campaign goals. This helps you to better forecast your campaign results and better adjust. You can also set your budget based on conversion rate. Start by estimating the number of clicks needed to hit your sales target. Divide your target orders by your average conversion rate. Then multiply that number by your CPC to calculate your required ad spend. This method keeps your budget aligned with realistic sales volumes. Lastly, you can plan your budget based on your target ACoS. ACoS is calculated by dividing ad spend by ad revenue. With this formula, you can determine your current ACoS and then set your target ACoS. Here's how to calculate your budget. Multiply your product price by the number of target orders to get your ad revenue. Then multiply that amount by your target ACoS. This gives you a clear cap on how much you can spend while still remaining profitable. For example, if you're selling a product at $50 aiming for 100 orders and your target ACoS is 20%, your ideal budget would be 50 multiplied by 100 and then multiplied by 0.2. The result will be $1,000. That's how you can set your campaign budget. It helps reduce waste and maximize performance. Campaign data can change significantly within days, so remember to check your campaign performance regularly and adjust as needed. Let's wrap up this video. Whether you're new to Amazon campaigns or looking to scale your efforts, this 4-step analysis helps identify your best and worst performing campaigns. Combined with common issue fixes and budget optimization strategies, you'll have a clear picture of your campaign's overall health. With a strong analysis framework, practical fixes, and strategic budgeting, you're now equipped to take control of your Amazon advertising performance. In the next episode, we'll cover keyword strategies and bidding tactics that can further amplify your results. Stay tuned.